Hello, this is Guard057 and I'm going to show you how to make an Obsidian Generator. So this works on the iOS and Android versions of Terraria, the console versions, and even the computer version too, so it works on all the platforms. You might know this already, but a couple days ago, a giant update came out for the iOS and Android version of Terraria. It's called the Terraria 1.2 update, and it added thousands of new items and tons of new bosses and tons of new mobs and a whole bunch of stuff. And they also changed the look of many blocks. As you can see, my house looks completely different. But they also took away some things, or patched something, I should say that. And it's a shame because they patched the chest duplicator. And that's the thing that I showed you how to make in my last tutorial. As you can see, it's on, so it should be duplicating chests, but it's not, because it was been patched. So that's a shame, because you could actually get unlimited money from that machine, and now it doesn't work anymore. So hopefully we can find another way to have unlimited money, and if I ever do figure out how to do that, I'll definitely make a video on it so you guys can try it out. But anyway, today we are going to be doing an Obsidian Generator. So as you can see here, I have basically the template of the Obsidian Generator. This is a really small little version of it, and I use Ebstone, or whatever, however you say that, just because it looks kind of cool, and it's a lot easier or a lot harder to break. So if you accidentally swing your pickaxe, you don't release lava everywhere. So that's a good thing to have. And you might be wondering why I am not using the one that's in my house right here, because it's a lot bigger. And the answer to that is because a while ago when I was using it, the lava accidentally broke, so it destroyed most of my house, and it killed some of my NPCs, so I decided not to use that one anymore. So I'm building another one out here, and I decided to teach you guys how to do it while I'm making it. So first thing you're gonna need is to actually build this thing. So if you guys want to build this right now, you can pause the video and look at it. This is just a basic template. You can make up your own design, but it has to be something along these lines. And yes, so this is the template. Once you have that built, you need at least one bucket of water and one bucket of lava, because those are two things that make obsidian. So I've got one bucket of lava, and I need a bucket of water. So I'm just gonna get some from this water source that I made. Okay, so then you go up here, and you'll notice that on the sides of these obsidian generators there are these little hooks, and those are for getting all your water in, and that's the key to getting unlimited liquids. And you might be wondering, how do you do that? I'll show you right now. So you see the top block that's poking up out of that hook? You place the water right above that. So you can see half of it goes down and half of it stays in this little hook thing. Why is there a harpy here? Stop interrupting. Okay, so as you can see, half is still there. So you take that half and put it back in your bucket, and your bucket's filled again. So you have some down there, and then you can just keep doing that. And then, yeah, you can do that for a really long time and fill up the whole thing. But I'm not going to do that for the purposes of this video, obviously. And I'll show you a way in the 1.2 update for all you iOS and Android users. If you're not an iOS and Android users, you can skip ahead. But stop harpies. Anyway, the way to whenever you refill a bucket full of water, it automatically goes into your inventory, but not if you do this. See, you just need to put the bucket of water in this slot, this exact slot, and have an empty slot right here, right there. So, when you place down the water, it will automatically go here. And then you fill it up, and then it goes back here again. So, you don't have to keep going in and out of your inventory. So, I'm just going to do this a little while. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, now you need to do your lava. It's the exact same thing. You put in the same slot. Slimes, what is it with you guys? And they also added Christmas presents in. That's a new feature that they added. So you do the same thing. You can see it doesn't go into my inventory. And you just keep filling it up. There we go. One more, how about? Okay, that's good. So now you have everything ready. And more zombies, more monsters, they just keep coming. See that they're not touching each other yet because there's one block of cobblestone in the middle. You need that block. If you don't have it, it will pretty much be ruined. So once you have them evenly, I mean, this isn't a lot at all. You can fill up the whole thing if you want. But you can, once you're ready to start generating, you just, like right now, you just break the block in between. And then there's a obsidian block right there. And you just keep breaking it. And then it gives you unlimited unlimited obsidian. So, and then you can see, I just ran out there because I only put in like a little bit. But you can just keep doing that, and then it will eventually just like run out. But you'll have tons of obsidian. See, I have 19 obsidian because I did it a little bit before. But I just got like, I'd say, yeah, 7 obsidian just from that. It may not seem like a lot, but if you fill it up all the way, you'd get, I'd say, about 100, I think. Yeah, and you can make it bigger than this. I just made it this small because it fits in my little ramp or whatever you want to call this. I just made it for all my tutorials I'm going to do. But, yeah, that basically wraps up the video. So, thank you guys for watching, and if this did help you to make your own obsidian generator, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.